It's Muhammad from Recycle Beirut, here where I work, and this is our warehouse. You're welcome. We are bringing the materials here, we're sorting them, and we're sending them back to the recycling facilities. ها شوفي So as you see here, here is the compressor, okay? By this machine we can make the plastic and the cardboards like bales, okay? After we packaging them, we send them to the recycling facilities. Our aim from the beginning is to start producing energy and to live ecological. We are now on the top of our warehouse. As you see, we installed the solar panels to go 100% green. This project is for provide us with electricity for 24 hours during the days. We taking our energy without hurting the environment. That's what in general, our goal. We are going now to the first subscriber to pick up from him. The concept of cleaning is different from the concept of being sustainable or being green, because the first one is to clean yourself or to clean your street is not very familiar from being sustainable. Here people are thinking about just to clear their houses and their cars. In Recycle Beirut we tried to change people's mind, to change from the concept of cleaning to concept of sustainable, to change their way of life.